rock and roll with Jesus and Rick.
You were doing okay.
What happened to you getting another bus? It's not working.
Lighting up.
Is it gonna work?
Do you have enough gas?
Oh yeah.
There's a full tank.
Just try to keep going. Keep going. It'll work.
Or a quarter of a tank. I don't know.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
There we
Yay.
go.
Did you know that we could do that to 20 seconds?
You need a new bus.
You need to